I'm Gordon, and today I'm going to get Korean food, but not just any Korean food.
Tony's K-Food, my favorite place to get Korean food.
All right, let's go see what they got. It's kind of weird how you get there, so it's kind of a secret. We'll tell
Just
you.
go tell me you want those crispy rice cake things.
To get to Tony's K-Food, you got to go into the East Market. Oh, that's going to be too much wind. East Market. It's K-Food. If you want to order Tony's K-Food, you got to come to the checkout of East Grocery Store. Yep.
Or no? What are you gonna get?
So let's get dumplings, crispy duck bok, and you guys are gonna get something else, and then I'll get beef bulgogi. How's that? Once you've ordered at the checkout, it's time to get the food. You gotta know the way. Between the freezers, there's a little sign. Tony's K-Food.
We just got home from Tony's K-Food. We got our haul all spread out here. I'm gonna tell you what we got, and then we're gonna eat. Because it smells so good. It was so hard to get home. It smelled so good. Okay. The kid, she's gonna tell you what we got.
Beef bulgogi with rice, fried tteokbokki, fried dumplings, and this is black bean noodles. This is the sauce or the soup, and this is the noodles, and we got some pickled radishes on the side.
So you gotta mix the noodles and the sauce, the soup yourself. In the soup for this,
Oh no, it's gonna like.
I'm gonna use my fork and kind of. It takes two of us to do this.
Perfect.
So the soup is kind of a thick black sauce. I wouldn't call it soup so much as I would call it sauce. I've had it before. It's pretty tasty, but it's the kid's favorite, so that's what she got. I am going to start with the crispy, and oh, it is crispy too. These are, if you can see this, feel focus or not. So this is crispy fried, it's like a rice cake. A little bit of chili on it, I think. It's got some chili on it, some sesame seeds, black and regular sesame seeds. The rice cake is really good. It's a little spicy. It is really crispy on the outside. And then the rice cake is nice and chewy on the inside. There's another one. I don't know if you can tell what that is or not, but it's duck bok. Is that right? Duck?
No.
Duck bok.
No.
I don't know how to say it.
I don't know how to say it either, but I think you're wrong.
Bok duck or something, but it's like a little log rice, chewy rice thing, kind of a little log. Usually when they do this, it's kind of a wet thing, and it's got spicy sauce all over it, and they're real chewy. But this one they have a fried version. Let's take a little bite. Probably hard to tell, but rice cake in there. We got fried dumplings. Japanese, we call them gyoza. Pot stickers, Japanese, maybe mandu. Mandu, I think is what they call them in Korean.
I like Spanish.
We didn't get any sauce, so I'm going to use, I like a Japan. I'm going to have a mandu. These are kind of crispy fried. Ooh. So it's like a pot sticker. This is, it's gonna fall off my fork, I know. It's really good. These little, I just love pot stickers, gyoza. They're all a little bit different depending on where you get them from. You know, the Japanese version comes a certain way. The Chinese comes a certain way. And these Korean ones are just, they're their own little thing, but they're kind of the same, but they're not. I just love these. We could just.
You could do a whole video.
Yeah, we could. We could do a whole video just with these things. And literally, my family here has eaten these just for these alone for dinner. And we've eaten like pounds of them. Mm-hmm. It's crazy. So good. How's the noodles, kid? All right.
Really good. Very yummy.
I'm gonna try the beef bulgogi. So it's got rice and beef, the special seasoned beef, sesame seeds, some green onions, and some regular onions too. I can get a hold of it there. It's delicious. See if I can get a little piece of the. Those are just a little spicy, but they're not too bad. Mm-hmm. It's hard to get a good picture here to show you. This is the beef bulgogi, really super thin beef. So good. Was it as good as you remember? Mm-hmm. All right. Mm-hmm. So Tony's K-Food. It's in Chesterfield. It's inside of East grocery store. As you saw a while ago, you got to order it at the checkout. If you walk in, you got to order it at the checkout, and then you got to navigate your way. There's a couple signs to point you towards his little area. What I would tell you is that whenever we've gone, it seems like they do a lot of delivery business, the Uber Eats, Postmates, or whatever those things are all called. And so we like to eat at the same time everybody who gets delivery likes to eat. So we had a little bit of a wait. It wasn't terribly long, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. But we basically ordered our food. We did some shopping in East, and then we waited for the food. So it wasn't terrible. But just keep that in mind. On that note, I'm going to continue to eat. Kid's going to continue to eat her noodles. And I'll probably check back with you before it's all over. You know how I do this. But anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in again real soon when I make questionable eating decisions. But you know they're going to be tasty. Right, kid?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep.
Right.
Oh.
They're going to be tasty. Right, kid?
Right.
Of the two of us, I guess she's an amateur. I don't know what you call me because I'm kind of an amateur too. So, okay, I'm gonna eat now. So, later. So we ate all this Korean food from Tony's K-Food. It was really good, but the most surprising thing is the producer ate some of the fried rice cakes, and she immediately said, "Oh, they're too spicy." The kid ate them and said, "Oh, they're good."
They were good.
She was a lightweight for so long. She's moved out of the house like 5 months, 6 months almost, and now she likes spicy food. And she goes to Mexican restaurants. She never wanted to go to Mexican restaurants.
I'm changed. I'm a new person.
She gets out of the house and all of a sudden she's taken on all the stuff I like. What happened? It's the weirdest thing. What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. That's what moving out does.
By the way, this was special guest host, the kid, aka Lena. So she's home from Seattle, so she had to help make a video.
Yay.
She didn't get to be in the videos when I was in Seattle because she was busy doing what?
Dancing.
She's a ballet dancer. Yeah, so she dances ballet.
Yep.
So anyway, the ballet dancer didn't get to be in my videos in Seattle. So she comes home for New Year's and she gets to go to her favorite K-Food place, Tony's K-Food. Okay. We're all really full. We need to take a nap. So again, thanks for watching. Later.